guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY. Today we have a Chiara DIY special edition. I am participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge hosted by Hilary from Old World Home, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got from Goodwill. Basically, this challenge, you want to take $5 to a Goodwill or some kind of thrift store or a yard sale, and you want to take that $5, get something that is $5 or less, and you want to turn that trash into treasure. And that's what I did today. I'm super excited to show you what I got, and I'm super excited to show you what I turned my trash into trash. And as you can see from this picture right there, something ordinary turned into something beautiful. I'm going to add in the description box the link to the playlist so that you can see everyone's videos who upload for the $5 Goodwill challenge. Make sure that you support everyone. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you leave comments. Make sure you are engaging so that we know how much you love all the stuff that we have turned from trash into treasure. So without further ado, guys, let's DIY. So I went to Goodwill and I got this lantern for $5.99. It was actually a 50% off day, so I actually got it for half off of that, so I spent even less than $5. I took some Goo Gone so that I can get the paint off. It actually came off really easily, so I was happy about that. It took the sticker off and it took all the paint off. I got some tinsel from the Dollar Tree. I got some ribbons from the Dollar Tree. That buffalo check ribbon I got from AC Moore at one point in time. So I just took those 4 types of ribbons to decorate the lantern. First, I measured 4 pieces of ribbon 6 inches each. I'll be using the shorter lengths of ribbon to fill in the bigger parts of the ribbon, which I will show you later. The bigger ribbons, I measured those at 24 inches long, so I took 2 pieces of the bigger ribbons at 24 inches, and those pieces will be used as the basic frame of the ribbons. So you'll want to take all of the ribbons and you want to measure 2 pieces of each at 24 inches. So I am not the best bow maker, so I had to take this part slowly. You just basically want to take the ribbon and you want to pinch at about 8 inches long as they are looped, and you just want to pinch the middle of them and hold them together as you get all of the pieces of the ribbon together for the bow. Once you have all the pieces of the ribbon together for the bow, you just want to take the tinsel and wrap it around so there's a tight hold. Once you have the basic frame of the bow together, then you can start taking the smaller pieces of ribbon and placing them in between and around the bow to give it a fuller look. So you just want to pinch again in the middle part of the bow where you'll be holding it, and you just want to go around the bigger parts of the ribbons, the bigger parts of the bow, and just place the smaller ribbons in to give it a more fuller look. Once you have the ribbon in tightly and you have the bow how you want it in full, like you want it, just want to take another piece of tinsel and wrap it around so that it's nice and tight and it's held in place. Then I took some floral from the Dollar Tree and I just made a nice little arrangement that I can place on top of the lantern. I put the floral on opposite ends of one another so that it would be framed around the lantern. Once you have that, you could take a piece of yarn and just hold the floral arrangement together, and then you want to wrap the bow around the middle part where the yarn is to kind of hide the yarn. If any of the ribbons come apart, you can just easily place them back into place underneath where the yarn is. So I decided to give the lantern a little bit more style. I took a little pumpkin ornament from the Dollar Tree and I painted it in a bronzy color, and I took a thankful little galvanized word sign and placed it on top of the pumpkin. You'll need 3 twist ties, which I also got from the Dollar Tree, and you just want to take the twist tie and go underneath the lantern where the handle is and place it there nice and tight. I decided to use the twist tie so that I can easily take off the floral arrangement and use it again for a different season, which I'll be doing for Christmas. So the top part will be different for Christmas and I can just keep using it over and over again. So the twist ties make it easier for me to take off the floral and just make it into something else. Used an old candle that I had laying around and some leaf lights from the Dollar Tree and put on the inside of it so that it will give it a nice stylish Thanksgiving look. Here it is with the light on, and I'm going to show you how it looks with the lights off so that you can see the difference, and there is a nice little glow when the lights are down and dim. That's it, guys. I took $5 to the Goodwill and I turned trash into treasure, and there you have it. I'll be using this for Thanksgiving on my table or somewhere around the house to look pretty. So how did I do? Did you guys enjoy the video? I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you have been moved and inspired to turn some trash into treasure. Go to a Goodwill store, find something for $5 and turn it into something beautiful. If you did enjoy this, check out this video right here so you can check out my latest tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you're notified each week that I upload a video. And as always, connect with me on Instagram at ChiaraDIY. And also, don't forget to click the link in the description box so that you can go and see everyone's videos that have been uploaded to the playlist for this challenge. And I'll see you next week, guys. Thanks for watching.